Your boiler supplies heating and hot water to your home and can be found in a cupboard in your kitchen or bedroom. The boiler will have been set up before you move in, so please don't turn it off or change any of the settings. Hot water is supplied on demand, and you can change the temperature of your heating by using the thermostatic control found in your hallway. If you find yourself without hot water or heating, the most common cause of this is loss of pressure in the system. You can confirm this by checking the electronic display on the boiler itself. A code F22 tells us that a loss of pressure is the cause of not having any hot water or heating. The pressure bar on the display will also be below the line. Find the two small taps on the pipes below your boiler. Fully open one of these, and then slowly open the second tap. You will hear a faint sound of water filling back up, and the bars on the electronic display will rise. Once it has reached the middle, close both taps as shown. Your heating and hot water should now be working again. Radiators in every room are fitted with individual thermostatic controls with settings from 1, coldest, to 5, warmest. You can adjust these individually to the temperature needed in each room. If you need to contact a member of staff or report a repair, please contact Wales and West Housing on 0800 052 2526 or visit our website at www.wwha.co.uk where you can report a repair online.